Hello, my name is Alyssa and I will be conducting an experiment called salt mining. And so here's my presentation here. So what I'll be doing is I've blown up this balloon and I will be rubbing it on my hair and replacing it over the salt and pepper. And so what I'm doing is that I'm creating friction by rubbing this balloon on my hair. And so since this balloon is made out of latex, and it's not rubber, it is not a conductor. So latex, this balloon, is actually a insulator. So what's happening is that the electrons from my hair are being transferred to the balloon, and so it's creating a static charge. And so it's becoming more negative since electrons are more negatively charged. And so when I place this balloon over my plate that has salt and pepper on there, that's mixed around, the positively charged ions should be attracted to this balloon just because it is a more negatively charged environment. So static electricity, it's just the transfer of electrons from one object to another, and so that's what I'm doing here. I'm creating this negative charge around this balloon so that when I rub this over the salt and pepper mixture, it should draw out the positively charged ions. And so as I begin, I'm just going to rub the balloon on my hair. And so when I'm doing this, I'm creating friction between my hair and the balloon. And what should happen is that this balloon, when I put it over the salt and pepper, it should draw out the positively charged ions. And I place it over and separating the salt and pepper mixture. And so the reason why this also happens, that since this is a negatively charged environment on the balloon, it will attract its opposite charge. So it should attract positively charged ions because opposite charges attract, whereas similar charges do not attract. So I'm going to place this over the plate and we'll just see what happens. So this, it doesn't look like too many particles really stuck to the balloon, and that's okay. Sometimes experiments fail, and so there could be some reasons why I could predict it didn't work. So what should have happened would be the pepper should have been attracted to the balloon because it is a much more lightweight and more positively charged ion that would be attracted to the negatively charged environment of the balloon. The salt, being more negatively charged, should not be really attracted to the balloon, and so why it should have separated the pepper out. And so some reasons why this experiment did not work, it could be because of the airflow in my house that could be affecting it, and also I showered recently, so my hair could be not as dry as it should be. Also the salt could be, the salt could be weighing the pepper down too much. I could have not put enough pepper on there for it to be more attracted to the balloon and be separated out. So that could be why this experiment failed. But what should have happened should be that the balloon should have attracted those positively charged ions because it became a more static electric current there. I just didn't rub the pillow or the balloon long enough on my head either. And so I have a video of why or what should have happened. And so
You might think that that would be impossible, and that's which you can do pretty easily just by rubbing it on your own head. And then you bring that same balloon close to the pepper. You can see that our balloon acted like a vacuum, pulling up most of that pepper. The reason this demonstration works is because balloons are made out of latex, a rubber.
So that is my presentation. Thank you for watching and have a great night.